Hi. So today we will talk about why you still react sometimes even after being aware. So guys, what happens is you see the pattern and you still react. You know what is happening. You even noticed it and you became aware about it. You even realized it in the moment. But somehow you still do the same thing. Why? Because you get triggered. But there is something different this time. This time, you noticed, you got aware, but you still couldn't help but react. Earlier, you reacted without noticing, without being aware. Now you're noticing it, you're being aware, but still you can't help but you're reacting it. You literally see things happening. You're literally seeing yourself getting triggered and, typing and replying and, and reacting. And after that, you think, why did I do this again? Now, here is where most people get frustrated and confused. Why this happens is because there is a moment and a gap between what happens and how you react. The gap is very small, almost invisible. Understand this gap. But still, that gap is there. And in that moment, your pattern is faster than your awareness. Because we think awareness should stop the reaction instantly, but it does not happen that way. Your awareness is something new, which you have practiced, but your pattern is old. Your patterns are very, very old. You have repeated the same reactions again and again. Your past creates your thought, right? And your thoughts become your emotions. And if your emotion stays longer, it becomes your mood. And your mood eventually, if it stays longer, converts into a pattern. If your pattern keeps repeating again and again, it becomes a persona. So in that moment, the pattern is stronger than awareness. But guys, here's the good news. The fact that you noticed it means awareness has already started. Earlier, you reacted without knowing. Now you notice it, you become aware of it, and then you react. So, what eventually will happen is slowly this gap you saw will start becoming bigger. And in time, you will notice you stop your reaction and you start responding. And that is how change gradually happens. It's not instant and magical, but it's gradual and very effective. Awareness doesn't stop patterns immediately, but it weakens them every time you see them. I will explain more in my upcoming videos, so keep watching and follow for more.